Hello guys. I just wanted to ask a few questions tonight. Sorry, I had to climb down off the ladder. And while I was thinking about it and stuff, since I am rearranging everything, I'm kind of curious what everybody else thinks. And this whole part of the farm here, this 35 by, is 25 wide, 35 deep. And it's going to be empty. What I am going to have in here is to like process castings, process the worms and stuff like that in here, but that's, you know, that won't take up that much space. But all of my worms are going to go back here. Let me turn this light on. In this space back here, all this stuff is coming out. And it's 24 feet across by 20 feet deep. And how many worms do you think I could get in here? How many of the one-ton bins do you think I could get in here? I don't even know. I'm not sure. I haven't really done any math on it or anything. But I don't know really how to arrange all this stuff yet. I've been thinking about it. I've been drawing it up quite a bit, but I'm not happy with anything I'm coming up with. But over the next 3 weeks, or until, yeah, in the next 3 weeks, all of this is getting changed. I finally, tonight, or this weekend is my last weekend of work. So, until I get surgery on my shoulders. But I'm moving everything around in here and getting it all ready for after I have my surgery, so I can do things pretty easy. But that's why all the worms are going to go back there, and I need all the open space here. I don't know, just to figure things out, how to make anything easier. It's kind of hard when I don't have very much range of motion, so. But it's pretty big in here. I am going to have more water towers, or water tanks. That's a 100-gallon one. That's just for my fresh water, so the unchlorinated water goes in there. And that's what I use to water all my bins. And that's pretty good for a few weeks. But I want to have water tanks for tea and everything else in here. And I'm just trying to figure out how to get it set up. So if you guys have any ideas or think of anything or want to just comment, or this is what I got to work with, and I got 3 weeks to get it all done. And that part right behind the camera here is going to be just all my office, kind of sit down work area. I already know that. That's going to be right there because I like it next to the window. I like to have the window so I can see outside. So as you can see, there aren't many windows in this place. It's that one and that one. So, but that's it tonight, guys. I'm going to climb back up there and turn this off. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And you guys have a good night.